Hello guys, this side is Ajay Diman, and today we are going to talk about the biography of Sidhu Moosewala. Sidhu Moosewala is most prevalent singer lyricist in Punjabi industries. Today we will get to know that how did he get success in his life and after which incident did he start writing lyrics. So without killing your time, let's begin. Shubdeep Singh Sidhu, better known as Sidhu Moosewala, is an Indian singer, lyricist, rapper, and actor associated with Punjabi music and Punjabi cinema. He started his career with writing the lyrics of the song License, sung by Ninja. If I talk about his life and music career, Sidhu hails from the village of Musa in Mansa district of Punjab. He was born in Sikh family to father Bhola Singh and mother Charan Kaur. He studied at Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana, and graduated in electrical engineering. He has also performed at Dev College Fest. After graduation, Sidhu Moosewala moved to Canada and there he released his first song G-Wagon. He started perform live in India in 2K18. He had also performed successfully live show in Canada. Moosewala got his breakthrough song with So High in 2K17, a gangster rap collaboration with Big Bird. Sidhu actively campaigned for his mother Charan Kaur, who won the Sarpanch election from Musa village in December 2K18. Moosewala has a rivalry with Karan Aujla. Both have been replying each other through their songs and live performance. Also, both the singers have been criticized for singing song promoting violence. And we are going to talk about how did he decide to write and sing his own song. That incident had happened in 2K15. That time Sidhu was pursuing engineering in Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, which is situated in Jalandhar. Sidhu was fond of singing songs. For recording a song, he needed a songwriter. That time Sidhu didn't know how to write a song, due to which he demanded song to songwriters, but no one was ready to give him. But one day he got a call from a big music writer. Writer said to him, "Come on my village, your song is almost ready." Sidhu went to his village on bike. After reaching his village, Sidhu called him and writer said to him, "Take your song another day, today I am not able to give you." Because he has pissed off songwriters, no one was agreed to write song for him. That's why he decided, I will sing my own song, and he started writing, and till now he didn't sing a song which is not written by Sidhu.
ਉਹੀ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਡਿਊਲ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਸੇਮ ਰੂਲ ਹੈ ਉਹੀ ਆ ਸੁਭਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਫੇਮ ਨੇ ਕਾਉਂਟਿੰਗਾਂ ਚ ਵੈਰੀ ਵਧੇ ਕੇਸ ਕੁਝ ਜੈਰੀ ਵਧੇ ਰੋਜ਼ ਇਨਕੁਆਇਰੀ ਵਧੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੇਮ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੁਟਰ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ